Good morning to everyone. In your last video we discussed about laws of indices or laws of exponents. Today we will do examples from basic to advanced level. Just I recall the formula which we discussed in our last video. A to the power x into a to the power y is equal to a to the power x plus y when base are same and this is the exponential factor and this is the exponential 2 exponential factor while multiplied at that time the base are same, so the index sum of the index is the final index. A to the power x upon a to the power y is equal to a to the power x minus y, and x is to the power 0 is equal to 1. A into b to the power n is equal to a to the power n into b to the power n, and a upon b to the power n, that is equal to a to the power n upon b to the power n. Likewise, we discussed in our last video. Today we will do some examples also. Now question 1, I 27 to the power minus 1 upon 3 whole into 27 to the power 1 upon 3 minus 27 to the power 2 upon 3. What is the result? This is the question. It is a short question. It is not long question, it is short question. So we know that nth root of x, that is equal to x to the power 1 by n. Otherwise x to the power 1 by n is equal to nth root of x. Likewise 27 to the power minus 1 upon 3, that is equal to cubic root of 27. Sorry, first this is minus changed into plus, that is equal to 1 upon 27 to the power 1 upon 3, and this will be 27 to the power 1 upon 3, that is equal to cubic root of 27 minus here denominator is 3, so cubic root of 27 to the power 2 that is equal to cubic 1 upon cubic root of 27 cubic root of 27 is equal to 3 minus cubic root of 27 3 square 9, so it will be 9, that is equal to 1 upon 3 into minus 6 cut off, that is equal to minus 2. This is short question. 27 to the power this much. Now double I, also a short question. 5 whole into 8 to the power 1 upon 3 plus 27 to the power 1 upon 3 whole cube whole to the power 1 upon 4, that is equal to, now let you know the omit of a bracket. There are 4 kinds of bracket. here is the moon bracket and square bracket, then another bracket is the curly bracket and a bar bracket. So this is square bracket start 5 whole into 8 to the power 1 upon 3 means cubic root of 8 plus 27 to the power 1 upon 3 means cubic root of 27 whole to the power 3, then whole to the power 1 upon 4, that is equal to 5 whole into 3 cubic root of 8, that is 2 plus 3 whole cube to the power 1 upon 4, that is equal to 2 plus 3 5 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 3 whole to the power 1 upon 4. Now look here, base are equal, so index are added, that is equal to 5 to the power 1 plus 3 4 whole to the power 1 upon 4, power into power we know a to the power m whole to the power n, that is equal to a to the power m into n. Likewise 5 to the power 4 into 1 upon 4 per cut off, that is equal to 5. Answer is 5. Short question. After practice you will know how it will be done within 1 minute. Now let come to the next question. Question number 2, a to the power m upon a to the power n whole to the power m plus n into a to the power l upon a to the power n upon a to the power l whole to the power n plus l into a to the power l upon a to the power m whole to the power l plus m. Find value. Find the value of this thing. Now that is equal to solution is equal to, now look carefully in this a to the power m upon a to the power n whole to the power m plus n. In this expression there are 3 factors, 3 exponential. Every factor is an exponential factor and its power. So this is the first exponential factor, second exponential factor and third exponential factor. This expression contains 3 factors. So in this exponential factor, numerator a to the power m, denominator a to the power n, we known that while numerator by denominator the base will be same, index different, so the quotient result will be the same base but difference of 2 index, that is a to the power m minus n, then whole to the power m plus n as it is, m plus 1 as it is, then into a to the power n, a to the power l, same base, different index, a to the power n minus l whole to the power n plus l, into a to the power l minus m whole to the power l plus m, that is equal to power multiplied a to the power m whole to the power n, that is equal to a to the power m into n. Likewise, a to the power m minus n whole to the power m plus n, that is a to the power m minus 1 n whole into m plus n into a to the power n minus l whole into n plus l, that is a to the power l minus m into l plus m. You can omit this step. You can direct write m minus n into m plus n. We know a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So a minus b into a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So m minus n into m plus n, that is equal to a to the power m square minus n square into a to the power n a plus b into m minus b n square minus l square into a to the power l minus m into l plus m a to the power l square minus m square, that is equal to, look, three factors, base are same, index different, so same base will be as it is and index are added, m square minus n square plus n square minus l square plus l square minus m square plus minus cut off plus minus cut off plus minus cut off, that is equal to a to the power 0 is equal to 1. To the power 0, every non-zero number to the power 0 is equal to 1. We discussed in our last video. So a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Take a screenshot. Then we will go to the next question. Question 3. If a is equal to x to the power m plus n into y to the power l, b is equal to x to the power n plus l into y to the power m, c is equal to x to the power l plus m into y to the power n, prove that. To prove a to the power m minus n into b to the power n minus l into c to the power l minus m, that is equal to 1. Now this much is given, just it is the next level question. This is the question. A is equal to x to the power m plus n into y to the power l, b is equal to x to the power n plus l into y to the power m, and x is equal to l plus x to the power l plus m into y to the power n. Then find out a to the power m minus n into b to the power n minus l into c to the power l minus n is equal to 1. Then take LHS side. LHS, a to the power m minus n into b to the power n minus l into c to the power l minus m, that is equal to, instead of a, we write this thing. Look carefully, very interesting question. A value put up in a place, that is equal to x to the power m plus n into y to the power l whole to the power m minus n. Look carefully, the bracket is very important in the here. So into b value x to the power n plus l into y to the power m whole to the power n minus l into c value x to the power l plus m into y to the power n whole to the power L minus n, L minus m, that is equal to, now look, instead of A we put A's value, then B value and C value. Now omit the brackets. X to the power A into B to the power n, that is equal to A to the power n into B to the power n. That is power law. X to the power m plus n whole to the power m minus n into y to the power l whole to the power m minus n into, now these two factor, the base are two factors, so we divide two factors as different bases into x to the power n plus l whole to the power n minus l into y to the power m whole to the power n minus l into x to the power l plus m whole to the power l minus m into y to the power n whole to the power l minus m, that is equal to, so we part the x base and y base, x base to one side, y base to another side. So x to the power m plus n into m minus n, power into power, power multiplication, m a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square into x to the power n plus l n minus l, that is n square minus l square into x to the power l plus m into l minus m, that is equal to l square minus m square. X work over, then y to the power, now multiply lm minus ln, then y to the into y to the power mn minus ml into y to the power nl or ln minus mn, that is equal to, these are the same base, so powers are added, this is the same base, powers are added, so x to the power m square minus n square plus n square minus l square plus l square minus m square, and y to the power lm minus ln plus mn minus ml plus ln minus mn, that is equal to, all are cut off, this much also cut off, that is equal to x to the power 0 into y to the power 0 is equal to 1, proved. Very interesting question. Now take a screenshot. This is the solution of this thing. It is just little bit the middle level question. Indices or exponents are so easy, very easy chapter, that is exponent chapter. If you remember three formula and some technique, product law, quotient law and a power law, only three formula and 2 to 3 techniques, in that way all indices or exponential problem will be solved. Now we go to next problem. Question number 4. X to the power a upon x to the power b whole to the power a square plus ab plus b square into x to the power b upon x to the power c whole to the power b square plus bc plus c square into x to the power c upon x to the power a whole to the power c square plus ca plus a square. Find the value. Find value. So this is the question. First we know that the expression has how many terms, how many factors, but here the expression has 3 factors. All 3 factors are exponential factor. So first we observe what is the base, what is the index. Base are same or index are same. Whenever base are same, which rule is followed? When index are same, which rule will be followed? Then look, x to the power a and x to the power b, a square plus ab plus b square, this is the second thing, second step or third step. No matter how we you should remember that you always do, whenever you do problems, you always do the immediate solution or immediate step. You do always immediate step. This is the immediate step. It is not immediate step. X to the power a by x to the power b. This is our formula. So whole to the power a square plus ab plus b square. That is the that's next method. But the first is the immediate steps followed. X to the power a minus b whole to the power a square plus ab plus b square into x to the power b upon x to the power c, same base, different index, x to the power b minus c whole to the power b square plus bc plus c square, then into x to the power c minus a whole to the power c square plus ca plus a square. This is second step. Then next immediate step, power and power, double power. It is shown that here is power, here is power. Then power into power. Then next step, x to the power a minus b whole into a square plus ab plus b square into x to the power b minus c whole into b square plus bc plus c square into x to the power c minus a whole into c square plus ca plus a square, that is equal to, then we will do the algebraic expression. What is the algebraic formula? A minus b whole into a square plus ab plus b square. We already discussed in our expansion chapter. I told them there the formula for a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. If you don't see that topic, please go and see the expansion topic. There are 4 to 5 videos. Totally formula was discussed there. So a minus b whole into a square plus ab plus b square, that is equal to a cube minus b cube whole into x to the power b minus c b square plus bc plus c square, that is b cube minus c cube into x to the power a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, that is equal to c cube minus a cube minus b cube. That is equal to, now look, then again come to the exponential factor. Here 3 exponential factor. Now we did the immediate step. Next power and to power. Then next second immediate step. Then third immediate step, algebraic formula, a plus b whole into a square minus ab plus b square. Then this much. In this factor, base is same x, so exponents or index are added, a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube, all are cut off. So x to the power 0 is equal to 1. That is answer. Now this is one which is the answer, and take a screenshot. So this is the some problems relating exponents. In the next video we will do more questions relating exponents, and exponent is very easy if we remember 3 formula and some 2 to 4 techniques. Algebraic formula is needed, is essential wherever it may be. Geometry, trigonometry, mensuration, the basic formula which we discussed in our expansion chapter throughout your career, algebraic formula are very, very essential. For today, this much. Thank you. Goodbye.